is in same network that will automatically browse in this under the Ethernet. And when yes, this all the configuration also automatically comes, this IO configuration, whatever physical, because the rack optimization, it will automatically browse the type IO devices, and it will show into the your drop down menu. And when you want to download, you just select your controller. Suppose this is your controller, you can select this controller and you can download. I will show in the next. Okay. uh, yes, 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 same. Yes, 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 yes. And see the program mode, there is a key switch to program, remote and run. This one is key switch. Then you can run program controlled by software is the remote program. If you want to uh, control the remote mode from program, also you can do it, or physically there is a one physical switch on the controller. There is offline mode, run mode and remote mode. There is a three option. By using that three options also you can select your controller mode. But by default, if you want to remote mode, then you need to select remote mode on the physical controller, then you can able to run from the software. Okay. Now you can see this status is remote run mode. Your program, you after downloading the program, you can see this green lines in your software. Green line is indicating the power rails, input side and output side. Your IO tags, start, stop, everything is left side, and in the right side there is output. Online edits, in the last course also we have seen the online editing, except if a key switch is run, then you can able to edit online edit. For the editing you need to just double click on the run, and it will shows I and R. R means running and I means is edited mode. This is editing mode. In the editing mode you can execute or change whatever you want to change, add some IOs or delete some IOs. After the deleting you need to click it here, click on this icon, it will execute run mode, this one. And that is in the engineering term we can uh, give the name as partial downloading. This is the partial downloading mode actually. We can see the lab. Any questions you have regarding the downloading, we can see it here, and then you can ask the questions. I will just open your emulate is click on this Studio 5000 Logics emulate icon. Maybe that icon is available on your desktop. Open it, click on S. It will take some 15 to 20 seconds to open. Okay, I will just remove my controllers, just, and to delete this one, remove. Okay, remove. Okay, and also this I want to change. Okay, if you if you want to add the controller, you can click on this slot and just click it here, create, and you can add this controller. Suppose I want to add, the slot number is 3, then click on next and click on finish. Okay, you have added the controller. Yeah, you have added. Okay, then create, you want to add the emulator IOs, then click on 1789 sim 32 point input modules, and the slot number is 3. If you have, then no problem. If don't have, you can add it. Create another new one, the slot number 4. Finish. Okay, I have two IO modules. Here you can see the open cover. Okay, and now you can open your RS, type it here, RS links RS links classic. You can see this symbol, just open it, RS links classic. Open the RS link classic. Now I have some drivers, I will just delete it and add it again. Remove the drivers. Okay, then I will remove this one. This is Ethernet actually, it's also not required, and you can delete it. I will remove this one also. Delete. You need to delete it from here, huh? Delete. Okay, I have just deleted. Stop. Okay, this is not able to delete. Why? Because in the emulator controller you have added that RS links, that's why we are not able to delete it. Okay, you see your sim 32.io module is automatically comes, means the tree, whatever tree you seen in the simulator module is controller, then IO module, this IO module automatically shown in this VB1 tree. Is slot number 2, slot number 3 and slot number 4, and in the slot number 1 there is your factory talk links module is there in the slot number 1, and slot number 0 your RS link server is there. This is slot number 0. Most of the time you can fix that slot. Which one? This one? Just click on the auto browse. Click on the auto browse. That IO model is in your emulator. Okay, okay. Controller is there. RS links is there. Okay. Then just go to the configuration mode. Click it here and stop. Okay. Can you? Okay, okay, okay. Means module driver is wrong, huh? Virtual backplane. You need to select the virtual backplane, huh? Backplane driver. I will stop it here. I will delete. Yeah, this is in use. That's why I'm not able to delete. Before to delete this, I need to close the emulator and then I can delete. Yes, I will add. I will try another one. Just add it. Click here. Virtual backplane. Add. Click on new. Click on add new. Then close. Close it. Close it. No, not required. Not required. Close it. Just close it. Okay. Everyone see? Narendra sir. Saurabh sir. Yes. This one. Okay. 01. Okay. 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 No problem. Okay. When you install the FactoryTalk View Studio, then it will shows FactoryTalk lines. Uh, Actually, this is not required right now. We'll see in later. That you can add it by manually also. Uh, Here you seen the in the emulator you are seeing this one RS links. Sorry, this FactoryTalk links. Okay, the check the revision is showing the 12. Okay, then it will difficult to import because the maybe the revision in your adapter, the revision maybe it's 11. In my adapter is 12 because you have installed the version is 11 and I have installed a version is 12. That's why it's showing the 12, and maybe in your case is 11. You can check it if the okay change. Okay. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. This is not required right now. We can see it later. Okay. This is important. RS links is important. Revision is not possible to change. Huh? It will take at the time of installation. Uh, you are seeing that model into the RS links here. Who? किसी के पास भी नहीं है अभी. Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem.
And Ganesh, like
Uh-huh.
in your factory talk, like in that particular model, on the top it is your computer number is visible, right?
Yeah.
In our case, like in my case at least, it is FT links written over there.
This one
No,
here, workstation.
emulator.
This one.
Now my emulator has stopped. Wait a minute. It is asking me click terminate program.
Okay. Um, we will just create some programs here.
Ganesh, I'm facing one problem. This RS links has stopped working on my PC.
Okay. Okay. You are currently installing the factory talk view, right?
No, no, it has already got installed and
Okay.
I'm trying to open it again, RS
Uh-huh.
links, but it
Uh-huh.
is not opening.
Okay, just go into the start menu, click on the start menu,
Hmm?
just type is rs links,
Hmm?
rs links. Yes.
Yes.
There is a control panel, you are able to see in the control panel, rs links control panel.
No,
Okay.
no, nothing is there. Yes, yes, now I can see.
Okay,
Classic launch control panel, right?
yeah, click on that, stop it and again start it. Okay, here